Okay, we'll have a breakfast because our hotel is including breakfast. That's like this. Dzień dobry, good morning, kochanie.
Dzień dobry from Austria, Österreich.
Austria, we are in Vienna.
Vienna.
Tak. So here is the hotel, breakfast hotel in Moxie Marriott Hotel, tak?
Tak.
Okay, so I'll show you around. The place is so busy. We check out from the hotel. This one, the hotel lobby looks like in the morning busy. What I see is just industrial vibe, like surprisingly busy. Okay, now it's time to explore. This is the car from Germany. Okay. Okay, this is the knowledge. Okay, CZ, Czech Republic. This one car from Ukraine.
Yeah.
See? And then
from the Bosnia and Herzegovina.
okay.
This one is fully Austrian, which is where we are.
Okay. Austria.
And this one is from Poland. Which is my car.
You Polispira.
Okay, let's go out from here. Let's explore Vienna.
Okay, so we just check out from the hotel. And now we are heading to the city center.
City center, somewhere we're gonna park near the Moyer Market or whatever. Somewhere there. And then we're gonna stroll a little bit. We need to park somewhere in the center. And then we're gonna explore a little bit for a while.
Because today is Sunday, so as you see that the road is quiet.
And people go to the church only, mostly.
Yes.
So it's good day for exploring and driving.
Yeah. Autumn is so beautiful. And this one, I think this one is the Satani Topai tram station. Okay. Oh, this is the Kamienica, huh?
Tak. Austrian kamienica.
Interesting.
Austriacka kamienica.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. What's that?
Okay. Oh.
And they have horses.
Oh, I saw it, kochanie.
Vienna is very like artistic city, you know.
Babe, this is Europe.
This is Europe.
Europe has to be like this.
No. Okay. And then we're gonna park somewhere here.
Okay.
This is the exit from the parking.
Yeah.
Tourist info. And then we park somewhere here. I
Okay.
think down there here.
Okay.
What's the name? Garage Moyer. This is where we are going.
For parking.
Okay. Entrance. Infront. Okay. Cool. Ooh.
Entrance always small.
Always small in German countries like Austria, Germany. Ooh. Ooh. But nice entrance actually.
Yeah.
Ooh. Somebody parked Cadillac here. That's good parking then. So I don't know how much. €5 per hour probably. Normal. Austria is almost as expensive as Switzerland.
Okay. We find a car park. This is a knowledge for you. This one for the electric car. You see the
But
sign?
we are driving on electric right now because hybrid. But we are not electric.
And then here is the blue. You see that the blue sign is it means for the family. Okay. So we have to go down, find different parking.
We have to go down to find normal parking. We cannot park for the family and we cannot park on the electric cars. Good morning from Vienna, Austria, or Vienna in Österreich or whatever. Austria, Vienna. Anyways, this is like a beautiful city here, and this is our last city on the list on our 4-day short road trip. 2,000 kilometers, 4 cities, capital cities, 4 countries in 4 days. How cool is that? And this is Vienna, first time for me and of course first time for you. 6th country for you on the list. I am correct? sixth in European countries. All right, let's go. Sayang.
The statue here is so open.
Like all the European statues,
Yes.
that's the part of the culture. Here you go, that's the beautiful fountain. It's Sunday morning, so it's not too busy also, considering it's October. It's cold. Yeah, it's nice weather, come on.
The best time to come to Europe and explore the city is autumn.
Autumn, that's actually
Because,
true.
you know, you still walk in the, not in the heat, but just like this is so enjoyable. Just make sure that you are wearing the proper clothes.
Tak. And that's how does it look like. Oh, the church there, some fancy boutiques from fancy hotels, nice architecture. Okay.
And I just amazed with the building. As usual, Asian group. We are Asian. We travel to Europe. This is what I told you. Asian will go to Europe for holiday. Already the smell of the big city life. You keep walking and walking.
This is something characteristic whenever you enter big cities, like really big cities, is the characteristic smell, yeah? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. On the left, on the right side. And we keep exploring. I believe that during winter will be so many nice decoration here. You see, you already see the people now. The tourists already in the morning. Oh. Okay, so if you want to go by the public transportation, that's a symbol of Upan. There is the train station, right? And that's on the top. There's the church. I think that we should go there. Alright, so we just arrived in the city center. If you see that the tour guide already with the flag, it means you already in the main tourist attraction. Okay, right. So there it is, the main attraction of the Vienna. Oh, wow! Look at this. And wow.
It's quite a lot is going on
And wow. And wow. Okay.
Wow! It's nice. Oh, I said nice again. What should I say? But it's actually impressive, isn't it? It's quite a lot of this going on.
In the morning already busy.
And in the morning it's already busy. On the cold 8 morning, by the way. But nice. Sayang, what do you think about the Vienna so far? First impression?
Cool. Yes.
Something totally different, huh?
So many fancy things, yeah. Fancy shops, and it's just a different, you know, like I don't know what to say. And the tourists already packed in the morning. I thought that it's Sunday, like will be
Quiet.
okay, but no matter what days, I think let's go.
Let's go. Oh, that's the another building, Philip Lane, a nice coffee shop or whatever restaurant. And the basilica looks impressive, isn't it? A lot of nice things here. That's how the life looks. Oh, ding dong dong. Oh, the guy playing piano with the broken hand, but he still play.
Oh, that's so lovely.
That's the Vienna vibe.
It's so romantic, huh?
Ah, Let's get closer.
Oh. I think that this one is the miniature of the
Der
church.
Wiener Stephansdom.
Tak. And here it is. Interesting. What is it? The tour guide? Ah, yes. Interesting. Okay. On the
Saya.
top. Ah.
There behind me is the line to entering the cathedral. You wanna enter the cathedral?
There's the Sunday Mass today.
The Sunday Mass.
Yeah.
Der auch an anderer Stelle sagt, du bist Priester auf ewig, nach der Ordnung Melchisedeks. Ordnung des lebendigen Gottes.
Horses chariot like this. Okay, interesting. That's the view of the church. All right, the touristing. Kochanie, postcard o'clock. Okay.
And this shop, actually, I know we are in Vienna in Europe, but looks like a souvenir shop from the Kevin Home Alone during the Christmas. Let's go because it looks good.
Okay, let's go inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. So nice. It's just simply
Nice, isn't it?
nice. Oh. It's Christmas vibe already. Okay. It's just simply black. Okay. Sachego, you laugh. You
I got
just
like
cannot
postcard
stop
for my
laughing.
papa, yeah.
That-
Now, no offense to the Australian people, for anybody to going to Australia, but this is just no kangaroos in Austria.
Of course no.
But this is common mistake. Some people really intending to go to Australia and they fly to Austria.
Okay. You find that here. Oh, nice. Christmas vibe. I love the Christmas vibe. Ah, okay. Nice. Okay, so this is how it looks.
So cute, yeah.
Yes. Magnet, so many stuff, and what I see is that, oh, you see, Damian in queue for quite a long time. Many people coming for shopping. Once again, this is how it looks, and that crowd. So we keep walking and walking, and what I see is that many nice architecture, and the restaurant in the middle, I think that this one is a very memorial a statue.
Ce a doua asta?
Okay, so when waiting for Damian's shopping, it was a very long queue.
Tak. Tu buy postcard for Papa.
And there was one beautiful oldest couple asking me like, "Oh, you have a very beautiful hat. Where did you buy it?" I said, "Not here. I bought it in Poland." I said, we'll go there then. Of course.
You promote Poland in Austria. That's interesting. That's a good one.
Okay, let's go to have a coffee probably.
Let's have a coffee and let's explore a little bit of Vienna. Oh, this is another something.
Nice. So many statue, fountain, and fancy stuff. Oh. I'm just showing you how is the Kamienica basically here. Kochani, why Vienna has so many beautiful architecture?
Maybe
Like
because was never destroyed during any wars.
Yeah, because Hitler was born here.
Well, he was Austrian. He was actually born in the between Austria and Hungarian border somewhere.
Right.
Long time ago, the borders were looking a little bit different than now, but Austria was always Austria kingdom, and basically never was really destroyed during any war. So maybe that's why.
Yes. We keep walking and walking, and then yes, over there, I think another photo spot. Where we are going?
To the river and
Okay.
having coffee somewhere.
Okay, let's go. We keep walking and walking, and then this is very nice restaurant, nice entrance. Let's go. Kochani, so why are we going here?
Because there is the Dunabi River
Uh-huh.
that we visited in Hungary, right, in
Uh-huh.
Budapest, then in Bratislava, and now we have to visit in Vienna because there are three capital cities next to the same river. But as Vienna is beautiful, the river is not as that attractive like the rest of the cities, you know. It's like a smaller, and the graffiti and it's completely a little bit different. But at least we wanted to see that. I wanted to see that at least. But yeah, it's just not as that attractive river view than the Budapest. Budapest definitely the best, and I think.
And then what we see here, look, and I think that only in the city center where there are so many tourists, the city is a very clean. But when you are outskirt, you see also like there are many graffiti stuff.
I mean, not even outskirts, it's just outside of the
Tourist
old
spot.
town, like a heritage zone. It's already different, yeah?
Yes, and see the little pie behind you. Right.
Yeah, the trams are everywhere in Europe. Cool. Okay.
Kochani, we cross the street.
Okay.
And that's the building. Okay.
There is something old at the front. I wanna see.
Tak.
Let's go.
I think that it's time to have a.
Actually, people say Austria is expensive, but kebab with cola €7. That's actually not bad.
Yeah, there's some also homeless or beggar
Everywhere.
everywhere. And then I think that this is the train station, metro.
They have a metro.
Satanito Pai. Okay, let's go there. Kebab. You go to Austria just to want to eat kebab?
No, I wanna have a coffee. That's for sure.
Okay. This is more into the public. If you go by the public transport, tak? Yes. Okay. Now I'm just curious about this building here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the small road. Is this like, I think maybe this one the old Austrian. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 1984 like this. 750 years. Okay, we keep walking. Burger house. Okay, let's see. Looks so cute, coffee shop. Okay, we go to the small alley. Graffitis are everywhere, but let's see. Small,
This one actually interesting.
like small alleys will take you to a
Beautiful destination.
dobra. Okay, interesting. All right, so we were there, and look at this one. Interesting, with the clock tower. So this one is the Kaminica style. Oh, I think that mostly the shop are closed during the Sunday. And we keep walking and walking. We're back to the main street. And a group of the tourists. We keep walking and walking. Oh dear. We should have a coffee somewhere. Okay, maybe there. I already get a headache kohani. Okay, right. We are looking for the coffee shop. This coffee shop is so quiet. And that coffee shop is so busy. Okay, the key is that let's go to the busiest one. Waiting to visit it. Okay. Kohani. Cappuccino. Cheers.
Look at the view over there.
Nice. And surround you so packed. Even they have us sitting inside, also busy. I just wonder why this place is so packed. And I checked the menu. This one is Italian restaurant tag with amount of the price. I think this one is affordable price with a good quality of the food. Yes, I think so. We were there actually having a coffee, and then I just curious why many people watching something here and queuing. I'm not sure what's going on, and they put a camera on the top. Let's see what happened. Just because of this. Interesting.
It's actually getting busier and busier. It's around 12 o'clock right now. Yesterday was actually time zone change, so time change in Europe. So it's supposed to be 1 o'clock, but it's 12 o'clock, so we sleep longer 1 hour. But it's getting really busy, and for us it's time to slowly go back to Poznań actually. 7 hours, 750 kilometers.
Yeah.
Nice trip through Czech and Poland. But it's getting busier in Vienna. Definitely worth to visit for everybody who is thinking to visit or not. Definitely worth to visit. Budapest and Vienna very beautiful. Bratislava we were visiting, but well, it's not as popular and maybe not as wow. But of course, also if you are around, it's worth to visit anyways, right? All right.
So I think that's all our video today, guys. I know that maybe some of you will comment, oh, you should go to this place, that place, and that place.
We should, but we have a very different style of traveling, and we had 4 countries in 4-day road trip with the stopovers in each city just to have a sightseeing little bit, right?
Yeah, because Damian also have a project main
Right.
project actually in Budapest.
Exactly. So that was also combined with the work project little bit, but I extend this to additional few days trip. So yeah, we have opportunity to come back definitely to Zakopane and definitely going back to Budapest and maybe to Vienna and for so many other countries to visit for us, right?
My eyes is somewhere food shopping.
What food everywhere, food options. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope so you enjoy the quick trip. Also, you will film the road trip to to Czech. Yeah.
Oh, after this Czech Republic.
No, but we just passed through the mountains. That will be the video for driving.
Thanks for watching and see you
See ya. Take care. Bye.
Told you, food.
Maybe we should take a pretzel to go.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, but the queue is so long, Kohani.
No.
And we have to reach the target. Okay, let's go. Kohani, I was thinking to go shopping in the supermarket, but I think
Busy.
busy.
We're
Okay.
gonna stop in the gas station. No queue.
Yeah. So it's about 730 kilometer to get home. 6 hour 46. Oh, now here it is. We just exit this one. Okay. Okay. The traffic situation. Okay.
Driving in Vienna. Actually, everywhere in Europe is so easy to drive. At least for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, after living so many years in Asia, everywhere is easy to drive.
I told you your examination of driving is in Asia.
Yeah. It's the city center of Vienna. We are leaving Vienna. Thank you for having us. If you just found out this driving video accidentally, remember as we also explored Vienna, Budapest, Krakow and Zakopane in the last 4 days, so you can find those videos as well. And also one driving vlog from Zakopane, from Krakow to Budapest in Hungary, from Poland to Budapest.
Okay.
Ooh, that's the big fountain what we passed at the beginning, right?
Just because we have limited time. Enjoy the driving vlog.
Oh, this is the McDonald's, what I said is nice.
Yeah. This is the traffic situation during Sunday. It's just simply the city center is like this. Hustle and bustle life. Okay. This one is the center.
Something is going on there.
Big city life. Yeah, I think that the market is there.
Yeah, some fountain. Some important monument.
Okay. We are heading back. You see, at the beginning when we came, it was so